Here is how it works. I have made all of these sales in the past 4 months, and these sales are for a total of $3,317 in commissions. These affiliate sales that you've seen have come from this page over here that was 100% free to publish and has been driving 100% free traffic and making these affiliate sales pretty much on a daily basis for me. I like to call these pages traffic magnets, and I have many of them set up, each one of them promoting different affiliate products and driving daily affiliate sales. And in this video today, I'd like to share with you how you can make over $10,000 a month or more, even as a total beginner, using this strategy. I have personally made over $500,000 in commissions using the same concepts as what I'm going to be showing you today. I've also shown these methods to others and they were successful with them and they've made their first ever sales online. So if you also want to learn a really cool way to make money with affiliate marketing, then make sure you watch this video all the way through to the end so you don't miss any steps. Step 1 is to find an awesome product to promote, and for that we're going to be using a tool called SEMRush. You can get a free 14-day trial for this tool. The link is in the description below. That 14-day trial is unlimited, so you can use all of the features and follow along with this video. Once you've activated your trial and logged into SEMRush, head over to the keyword magic tool on the left-hand side. Now I'm going to show you a very powerful way to find excellent products to promote that I've never shared before. Once you're on this page for keyword magic tool, type in the word review into the search bar and click search. This is going to bring up over 19 million different keywords that people type in every day into Google search that contain the word review in them. This is very important and very powerful because people look for reviews of products just before they buy them. So what you're looking at here is 19 million different things that people are searching for every single day before they buy them. Let's take a closer look at one of these keywords, Leptitox reviews. This tool is telling us that 18,100 people every single month are typing in Leptitox reviews into Google. And if we look at what kind of content is ranking right now in Google, on page 1 for Leptitox reviews, you will see that the very first results, Discover Magazine, is a review which is quite simple. It's informative, and it is of course getting a ton of traffic and probably dozens of sales every single day from 100% free Google traffic from people who are searching for Leptitox reviews. If you take a look at this post on the Discover Magazine website, you will see that it has some good information about what this Leptitox product is all about, and of course it has these links right here. You can see there are a number of them. Click here to get an exclusive discount on Leptitox from the official website. If I click this link, this opens up the page where I can go ahead and buy Leptitox. But each of these links is the specially encoded affiliate link that will credit the sale to the owner of this website. So effectively, this page right here is a traffic magnet. It's a money magnet that is 100% passive, that is just getting free traffic from Google day after day, month after month, and making sales for the owner of this website. How much money does the owner of this website make on a daily basis? 100% passively. When people come over here onto their page and read the information and click the buy link, there are 3 options here from which the customers can choose to buy, and if they click to buy even the cheapest option, the price for this product in US dollars is close to $60. The commission is about 50%, and that is just on the cheapest option, so it's $30 per sale. And with this huge volume of searches and this website ranking as number 1 for these searches, I would not be surprised if just this one page is making $300 or maybe even $600 every single day for the owner of this website. What I'm going to show you in this video though is that you can go for so many different products. The opportunity really is unlimited because I will show you how to find some amazing keywords with very, very low competition and how to make sure that you create these money pages for 100% free. You don't even need a website. And I will show you how to make sure that you start getting the traffic to these pages as well. Quite often, the keywords at the very top with the highest search volume are quite competitive and quite hard to rank your page for. So what I would recommend is for you to scroll down and then just skip a few pages ahead, perhaps go to page 5 or page 10, and then start your search from there. And there are so many different products you can promote. For example, you can see here people are searching for reviews of Survey Junkie, which is a survey website, and Survey Junkie have got an affiliate program. So if you rank your site for Survey Junkie reviews, you will start making sales for any referrals to the Survey Junkie website. You can see there is also reviews of Udemy. And eventually, as you keep searching, you will start finding some excellent products that you can promote. Here is a quick example: Charlotte's Web CBD review. If you're not even sure what this Charlotte's Web CBD is, you can always Google it. And we can see from Googling it that it is CBD oil, which is a very good and actually quite a high priced product, which will get a lot of commissions for you. The products are priced at $100, some are priced at even $200. And the next thing that you should do is check if they have an affiliate program. So let's just add affiliate onto the end of our potential product and click search, and you will find if this particular product has got an affiliate program or not. Charlotte's Web does, so let's open this up, and you can see that they're paying up to 15% commission. On a $200 purchase, 15% commission will mean a $30 commission per sale, which is actually really good. And on this same page, you will find information for how to apply to be an affiliate for this product. For example, for Charlotte's Web, it's hosted on a few different platforms, Pepperjam, and you can also promote it via Rev Offers and Skimlinks. So just follow the instructions and apply to be an affiliate for this program. If for some reason that product doesn't have an affiliate program, that's okay. You've got 19 million different potential products to promote. So continue going down the list and start checking out all of these products. Here is an example, Domin XT reviews. I don't know what it is. It could actually be a really awesome product with a great affiliate program for you to promote. All right, so let's recap. We now know how to find products, and we also know that those products that we find will be in high demand and people actually want to buy them because they're already searching for reviews of this product. Now what we need to focus on is how to create a page, a free page that will get traffic from Google, 100% free traffic, and how to convert it into sales. So let's look into that next. In our example, let's go ahead and continue working with Charlotte's Web CBD review keyword. So step 2 of the whole process is to publish your review on the website called medium.com. Medium.com is super powerful. I taught this strategy about a year ago, and this is exactly how these viewers of my channel have been able to generate all of these sales. And the good thing is that medium.com is 100% free for you to publish your reviews on, and medium.com can help you generate massive traffic to your affiliate links. Why is medium.com so powerful? Well, it is a website that has got huge authority with Google. You can see that authority score is 88, which is massive. It means that this website is pretty much as strong as Wikipedia and some of the other huge sites online. And when Google looks at what kind of pages it ranks for a particular query, one of the main factors is this authority score. If you publish your content on your own website that has got a low authority score, your content might not rank. But if you publish your content on a website with huge authority scores such as medium.com, then that content will be very likely to rank. And in fact, it is helping medium.com rank for 51.67 million different keywords. This is completely insane. If we click on these 51.67 million different keywords, we can actually see all of the keywords that this domain is ranking on. So it's 17.7 million different keywords on the US version of Google. And if we take a closer look at it, medium.com is ranking for some huge keywords with millions of monthly searches. It means that medium.com has got a lot of authority, and if you publish your content on medium.com, you will be very likely to make sure that it ranks for the keyword term that you want to rank for. Let's apply a filter for positions to say top 10. We want to see all of the medium.com pages that are ranking for positions between 1 and 10 on the first page of Google. For example, this keyword here, ounces in a gallon, 301,000 people per month search for this. As you can imagine, this is a very competitive keyword because everyone wants to get a slice of all of that traffic. And sure enough, someone published an article on medium.com, and guess what? It is ranking here in position 6 in Google search results. So this could be you. You could publish an article just like this, like Akash Agrawal published on the 1st of September 2019, and he would have got a ton of traffic in this time because this article is just sitting there and collecting all the traffic. Likewise, if we apply an additional filter here for review, we can see that a lot of people have published reviews of different products with their affiliate links and are making money. For example, someone has published a review of Autonomous Ergo Chair 2. So let's just double check that on Google. And sure enough, it's ranking right here. Here we can see the medium.com article that someone published. So if we click on it, this could be your article. You could be reviewing different products, publishing your reviews on medium.com, ranking for them in Google and making sales. So now that you understand the power of medium.com, our next step is to write a review for the product that we've chosen. So for this example, for this video, we're going to be writing a review of Charlotte's Web CBD oil. If you're not yet a member of medium.com, then go ahead and register, click get started, fill out all of the details. You just need a free plan. Don't get any of the premium plans with medium.com. And after you're logged inside medium.com, you'll want to click here in the top right and click this option, write a story, and this way you can start creating your review. You'll want to stick to some guidelines when you're writing your review. The rule number 1 is to include your main keyword in the title once, and also to mention it in the opening paragraph. Since our target keyword is Charlotte's Web CBD Review, you can see that I have put that as the title, Charlotte's Web CBD Review, and I've also mentioned it once in the opening paragraph. I have personal experience with using Charlotte's Web CBD oil. In case you don't have experience with the product that you're going to review, then there is a simple workaround that. Simply Google for it, read as many reviews as you can, and then put together that knowledge and write it in your own words. Which brings us to rule number 2. Rule number 2 is that your review needs to be at least 1,500 words long. It needs to be an in-depth review, not just 2 or 3 paragraphs, because Google loves long-form content. So go ahead as the next step and write that review based either on your own experience or based on the information that you research when you read other people's reviews. A very important word of warning, the content has to be 100% unique, written by you or written by an author that you decide to hire if you outsource the content. Do not copy and paste the content from other sites because that will land you into trouble, firstly, and secondly, duplicate content, even if it's just a paragraph borrowed from another site, is going to mean that your content will not rank because Google will recognize it as a duplicate content. After you have written your review, you will need to add your affiliate links. Very important, otherwise you're not going to get paid, you're not going to make any sales if there is no link, right? So here is how to add a link. In 2 or 3 places throughout your review, wherever is appropriate, write text such as this. Click here to see the best price on Charlotte's Web CBD oil, and then insert a hyperlink. This hyperlink will be your affiliate link. So if you highlight this text and click on this little link, it will tell you paste or type a link. You will be able to find your affiliate link inside the affiliate program where you requested to promote the product. For example, if your product was hosted on the Share a Sale affiliate network, you would go into the product that you want to promote, and then where it says merchant default link, you would copy it to clipboard and then insert it here into the text that you want to be your affiliate link. And now you can see this has become the clickable link. After you've done this in 2 or 3 places in your article, you need to click publish, and now our story on medium.com is live. This is our page. This is the free traffic magnet, free money magnet that is now published and ready to be ranking in Google for your search term and bringing you passive affiliate sales. Generally, in about 2 to 3 days, your story will get indexed, and in about 1 to 2 weeks, usually if your content is unique and if it is well written, you will have a really good chance of ranking on page 1 of Google. So if the keyword that we're targeting is Charlotte's Web CBD Review, then it will be fairly likely that if you've done everything correctly, your page might start appearing here in top 10 results on Google. People will be clicking onto your story and they will be reading it, and they will be clicking on your affiliate link and then purchasing the product via your affiliate link. In case you're wondering whether this really works, here is a quick example. Pioneer DDJ 200 review, which is a review term for a particular type of Pioneer DJ equipment. You can see that the medium.com site is ranking right here in top 10 on position number 7. And if you look at the actual review, it's full of affiliate links. The very first link right here is an affiliate link. So if I click on that, it goes to Amazon.com via the affiliate link. And if somebody makes the purchase, then the owner of this article is going to get paid. Some of you might be wondering, does Medium allow affiliate links and are you going to get banned? Well, you can read, and you should in fact read, the affiliate marketing policy on Medium. Directly from Medium rules, their official rules are saying that you are allowed to have affiliate links. You can read this right here. They are allowed, however, you need to make sure that you are disclosing the fact that you are an affiliate, so follow the FTC rules and guides. If you want to double the amount of money that you make from this method, if you want to learn how to make $400 or more by doing the exact same amount of work, then you need to watch this video right here that I just published recently, and it will show you how to double the amount of sales that you can make with this method. This is an easy $400 a day method by doing almost no extra work, so go ahead and watch this right now. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.